Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's take a look at none other than Vechain. My Vechain family, this right here is a really exciting update for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the entire market right now, we're seeing quite a few altcoins in minor red. And the reason as to why this is the case is because Bitcoin dominance has really been picking up once again. And I've showed you guys the importance of the dominance index. There's a lot of people that don't like this dominance index, but it's really showing a lot of people the importance of this index over the past 2 to 3 months, because it is playing as a really important indicator. But of course, some people might come out and say, Bitcoin did retouch the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, but crypto ZX, why still are some of the altcoins not in green? Again, I point the fingers back to Bitcoin dominance. You guys can see it's really picking up, and this speaks a lot for itself. But as far as Vechain is concerned, guys, the hype is once again back. And as far as the momentum is concerned, Vechain has momentum, and we haven't seen this type of momentum in a very long time. You guys can see this for yourself. As of November the 7th, the price of Vechain is currently sitting at 2.2 cents. Once again, up 2.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 1.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If we're looking at the rank for Vechain, it's really climbing up the cryptocurrency market ranks really fast, so which is really nice to see. One thing that is different compared to our previous update is, of course, the 24-hour trading volume has decreased. But the interesting thing is that the market cap is increasing, which is really interesting to see. But let's take a look at the price. Before we do that, I just wanted to share this with you guys so you guys can see this. Vechain and Coinbase also created a safe and secure way to transfer your already bought Vechain to the vWorld wallet. Watch the video below to see how it goes. Mind blown. So if you guys really hold Vechain, I would really strongly encourage you guys to take a look at this video. It's quite interesting to say the least. But now let's take a look at the price, what everyone is here for, what is happening, and what is exciting for the price as mentioned earlier. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if I were to really give you guys the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame kind of goes over everything as far as the historic price pattern for Vechain. So if this is your first time landing on a Vechain video, you can see this for yourself. It has its all-time high at 28 cents, and pretty much had a massive run in from 2020 all the way to the 2021 range. But what we're currently sitting at is some insane, like when I say insane, I mean this is some insane level of resistance that we're facing. So pretty much after we broke out of this 2 cents resistance, we never saw the price of Vechain drop below it, which is a huge bullish indicator. And that is something a lot of people overlook. But I think this momentum is going to continue towards the upside because more eyes are on Vechain than ever before. Because pretty much, since you can see this for yourself, since May of last year, this is when majority of the cryptocurrency, and when I say majority, literally like 98% of the market went towards the downside. We've pretty much accumulated within this range. Very similar charts like a lot of other coins, and after that, now we are once again going back above that. And if I were to show you guys the hourly time frame, one of the best looking charts without a doubt, you can see if you picked up some Vechain on October 19th, you are up a staggering 37%. And this is absolutely just the start. You can see this for yourself right now. We're literally sitting at the high of the monthly high, and we're literally testing that once again. And if we're able to break out of here, guys, let the fireworks begin. Because look, this resistance dates back to 2020, before this massive upwards trend. So if we're able to clear this, we're basically heading straight to this 3.4 cents mark, in my opinion. Sure, there will be a little bit of a minor retest at 2.8 cents. The main target is going to be at 3.4 cents. And let me put that into perspective from the current prices. That is a move of about 52% from current levels. So, we could be closing above $2 billion market valuation before the month of November even starts. Things are definitely heating up, and I think it still hasn't even done anything close to what we are about to see happen. Because look, once every project, what I'm noticing right now is every project's having its time. We see one project pump, then it kind of cools off, and the ones that haven't pumped, they start pumping, because investors are looking for the next opportunity, the next coin that hasn't really pumped up. So this is something we're going to continue to see, especially in the top 50 to 100 coins. Of course, there's some coins that are not going to be here when it comes to the next bull cycle in the top 100, but I think slowly but surely all of them are going to cycle through and have their runs. Because look at it, on the top 100 coins on the monthly time frame, you could see majority of them are performing quite well. And Vechain, has been killing it lately as far as development goes. They have Coinbase listing, which is a game changer. So a lot of factors are lined up for Vechain right now. So really, really exciting. The next few hours could be very, very crucial for Vechain. If it's able to, go above this level of resistance where we're facing, we could see more upside. And some targets that I could be aiming for in the immediate short term would be this 2.6 cents target, and that is a move of about another 20%. So that is where my eyes are on as far as the next target is concerned for Vechain. And then of course the main target at 3.4 cents. And once we are able to break out of here, everyone is going to start loving Vechain again. So that is my personal thoughts. And of course, only time is going to tell. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you guys doing right now? What is your strategy? Where do you see yourself, exiting your positions out? Of course, right now, speaking about exiting positions, I think, Vechain is going to hit all-time highs and go even higher in the bull market. But of course, that does not mean you should not be locking profits on the way up. So what you guys need to be doing right now is, please guys, take 30 seconds out of your time to really understand that, hey, markets are not going to pump up overnight or over the next week. It's a steady cycle towards the upside. Profits can be taken and profits should be taken. Don't listen to these internet comments coming in saying, oh no, don't lock profits in, I'm going to be losing so much gains, potential gains. No, if you're going to go in with that mentality, you're going to end up losing, because there's going to be other people that are going to be locking profits along the way. So it's very, very important to lock in profits on the way up. So next few hours, very, very important. Let me know down below what your personal thoughts are. Do you guys agree with me with the overall analysis? And of course, I will keep bringing you guys these daily Vechain updates. Love each and every one of you guys. Shout out to the special day one supporters of mine, Michael and Patrick, Vechain family. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.